So, hello and welcome back. I am Kabir from Kabir Classes, and this is the part 2 of separation of substances. So, let's continue. And next topic will be decantation. What means decantation? I'll tell you. This is our cup, okay? This is also cup. And there is decantation means it is a process in which first of all you have to sand and water. You're having a mixture of sand and water. Yes, you wait for some time, and then heavy particle of the sands will settle down, and then the water will flow at the bottom. Okay, then pour it to another container, then only the water will come. Okay, and this is known as decantation. One more thing about sedimentation. Last time I did something wrong in it. That is, in sedimentation means it is a process in which you are not pouring it, but you are waiting so that the water comes up and then sand stays at the bottom undisturbed in a suspended liquid. Okay, so our decantation is done. Now let me just take it. Ta-da! Now next topic is filtration. What means filtration? I'll tell you. Okay, this is our actually our cup, and then in it we are keeping up filter paper, and then you pour the filter, like the what else? Yeah, the mixture of sand and water. You pour it, and then that filter paper keeps the sand with it and lets the like fresh water pour into the cup. Okay, this is known as filtration. You can also try it at your home. Easy. Okay. Now what else? Filtration is done. Let me just take it. Okay. Now evaporation. What means evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which the liquid turns into gas. This is known as evaporation. Do you know like how we get salt? I'll tell you. Like the sun's heat. This is our sun. Okay. Our sun, okay, and the heat of the sun, and the ocean is salty. All of us know salt. The ocean is having salty water, okay, mostly. So the sun's heat falls onto it, and then what is the role of evaporation? The evaporation, this is a liquid, and then liquid turns into gas. See, it turns into gas, and then what is left is salt. Salt is left behind. Okay, salt is left behind. I told you also evaporation. Now we'll move to our next topic. First, let me erase it. Okay, now let me just take it evaporation. Okay, now what else? Condensation. What means condensation? It's just opposite. Let me tell you. It's short, and I'll tell you. Condensation is the process in which the gas turns into liquid. Got it? The gas turns into liquid. How? I'll tell you. Listen. When the gas blows, and then the gas touches a cold surface, and then the gas turns into liquid. When a gas touches a cold surface, it will turn into liquid. That is known as condensation. Let me just take it. Short and clear. Now our next and last topic is solution and solubility. What means solution? Okay, I'll tell you first of all. First you have to learn this thing. What means dissolving? Dissolving is like something you're pouring something, and you're stirring it. Okay, that means dissolving. Okay, complete. I told that. Now one more thing. The thing, like the substance which is going in the substance which is going in the beaker or something, that is known as solute. Okay, like the mixture which we are pouring in is known as solute. Wait, I'll tell you. the thing we are pouring in is solute, and the thing in which solute dissolves is known as solvent. Solute and solvent. Okay. Now one more thing. Solute plus solvent solute plus solvent solute plus solvent equals equals to solution. You know how? Like sugar plus water equals sugar solution. That is an example. Okay, it's quite easy. Now what means solubility? I told solute, solvent, and now solubility. Solubility is like something, it tells how much something can, if you keep pouring, like if you keep pouring a spoonfuls of salt in water, it will dissolve, but not too much. If you keep continuously pour it, then it will not. You know why? First of all, it will dissolve, but sometime when you stir it, then some grains of salt will be left at the bottom. So that shows that this solution is saturated. Saturated means there you can't put you can no more put salt in this solution. Got it? It's quite easy, and here our chapter over. Let me just take it. Okay, now I told you everything. Now let me just recall what all we learned. The topics: threshing, done; winnowing, done; hand picking, done; sieving, done; sedimentation, done. These all in part 1. Okay, now in part 2: decantation, done; filtration, done; evaporation, finished; condensation, done; solution and solubility, done. And now my chapter is over. I think all of you have understood well, and then please, for a little support, share, like, subscribe my channel and my videos. Thank you.